Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Let me know what your favorites were down below in the comments section. If you are curious, here are some of mine. So I decided this time to actually verbally tell you all what my favorites are. We're going to start with this little leather strap wall hanging thingy. I think this is perfect if you are an avid reader, just to have something kind of sitting beside your bed or maybe a favorite chair. This would work great if your home decor scheme is like a modern type or even a farmhouse. There's so many others that you can really implement this into. Plus, it definitely looks like it's a DIY that would be pretty easy to do. So next we are seeing them use leather in the form of this chair. I just absolutely love this room. It's very calm, very serene. I don't know if I would actually have it in my house, but I am obsessed with this room. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section. And of course, a very common way to use leather in the form of bar stools. I think this kitchen is really cute as well. Love that pop of leather on the bar stools. And I feel like leather in a kitchen works really well if you implement it like this. And of course, it corresponds with that rug down there. Really coordinates. I like the way that this room turned out. Last but not least, this room really jumped out at me. When you have dark walls, using black and white photos just really, it creates a whole vibe there. But this homeowner took it a step further using the brown leather, and it almost works as an accent color or texture. And I just really like the way that this turned out. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.